version of Sublr. So remember Sublr, the app? So yeah, I didn't, because I was quite busy resting and doing other stuff on vacation. So my idea is to do it today. And I don't know if you remember Sublr, but let's start the app and let's start coding, because you know, I would like to. I might stay just for a few hours. Let's see. I'm hot. SSH add. Okay, so we start Sublr. So this app, it was an app that we create in the stream from the scratch as well. It's smaller, right? It's smaller. But if we take a look, let's see. Oh, it's not working. Oh, what is happening? Oh no, yeah, I know why. It's trying to remember the. Man, no, not this. Like this. What the fuck? It's trying to remember the old you. No. This is some kind of evil cache. What are you doing? Okay, let's. What if I do this? This is from my other app, but of course I don't have this planning URL. But because it's the same port, yeah, it has this cache. Okay. Nah, now we are talking. So yeah, let's just start with my GitHub account. And yeah, this is like the app where you keep your subscriptions. We have a few subscriptions here. Maybe this is like wrong data, but this is it. And then you can just like change the data if you want. But I wanted to really deploy this. Oh, and this is a bug. And we need to fix this. And I already talked with my designer, because the idea is to, to make this nicer. That's kind of the idea. But I need to deploy this, and this is. Oh, I know what is it. It's because this is a new description and it's 0, so I need to delete this. Yeah, we still need to add a lot of validations on the front end or something. That was this was such a nice like exercise. It's beta basically. It's like really not ready for production if we think about it. But let's start like make sure this is released, because it's released. If you go to Sublr.vercel app, it's released, but since the Firebase connection, we screw up everything. So we need to like kind of make it happen for Firebase. So for that, and let me put the hacker mode here. So for that, we need to go into Vercel, and let me check. I'm in Vercel. Yeah, I will go to Sublr. So this is how it works with Vercel. So basically, we have the Sublr production deployment, and the thing is, I think this should be fine. Yeah, it's like it flashes, super weird, but okay. So basically, we need to fill the production version with these environment variables. I don't know if do we have environment variables here? Probably not. So we have the deployment. Let's go to settings. If you go to settings and you go to environment variables, yeah, we only have this. This is for all environments. Yeah, this is like out 0, production, preview, and development. And this shouldn't be like that. So we need to create, specifics for production, right? In fact, we need to create specifics also for. Local can be the same as preview, maybe. So it work. Yeah, I guess. So yeah, select custom bash. Oh, okay. What is this? No idea. Okay, so I guess I just need to add one by one. Can I check this? Public app ID. But this is public. This should be fun. And I remember those are, the next public. Yeah, this is kind of Firebase, maybe. Yeah, this is kind of Firebase. So also out 0. Oh, but this should be the same, right? Public API key. Public app ID. Why is it not working, by the way? What is happening? Like network. I mean, I know it's missing the environment variables, but what is saying? Nothing? Something? Other? I thought we didn't have this. Interesting. Let's fix production, and this is just a matter of just copy and paste. But because this is a secret, I should do this very quiet. And also, I have in Firebase. If we go to Firebase, I have like 2 different projects. I have like the project that is for development and whatever, and I have the production project. And the same without zero. Without zero, we had a similar approach, like manage, and we need to do some sort of configuration. Oh, it was GitHub, right? Probably. So here, if we go to the dashboard name, let me see. We go to console. Yes, if we go to console, if we go to 0. So remember, we have here like Sublr dev. That's the one that we are using in development, the current one here. But we decided to have one for production. So we have Sublr, and Firebase is quite similar. We have the production project, and that's kind of the way that you should manage your environment variables. So basically, you will have a set of environment variables and services for your local environment or staging. Maybe it depends. How do you want to manage? Maybe you want to have 3 different environments for your app. Usually staging is like production but safe, so you can mess up with the data, but basically it has basically it should have all the same kind of setup and deployment version of your app. In this case, I guess we are just going to care about local and production, right? That's how it's going to be. If we, for some reason, need to fix this preview environment, we can fix it later. But right now, yeah, let's do production. So, first thing first, I think I need to go here and click production settings, but this is going to reveal, you know, my environment variables. So I need to just like go in this mode and just check, you know, those settings. It's not here by the way. Oh yeah, it's like I need to go here. Oh, I need to register the app. So let me see how it was in the other project. Okay, web app. Okay, it makes sense. So let's go here. This is just like normal Firebase configuration. You will, you know, it's definitely like in any tutorial you will have this, and that's okay. So this is kind of such a subtle way to do. I mean, what I need to do is just, you know, copy and paste the values. And give me a second. Sorry that you can see my secrets, but it's a secret. So this is such a process. So basically what I'm doing right now, so you can take a look, is I'm dividing my screen tree because I need to copy the name here, but the value is from the Firebase, right? That's how it's going to be. Maybe, I mean, instead of check my secrets, or maybe, yeah, that's cool. It's fine. You don't need to see my face. Do you need to see my face? Maybe not. No, you don't need to see my face. One do this. So API key, let me see. API key, yeah, we have this one. Sample, yes. Oh, okay. What? Oh, I can't copy. Really? Oh, just the config? What the fuck? What is happening? For some reason, I can't copy the configuration. What is happening? It's like, what the fuck? Okay, doesn't matter. I can just copy this into a new file here, probably. So API key. So this is the value, and this is just going to be for production. Another environment with the same name. Environment is new product. Remind. Oh, okay. Shit. So I will have to remove everything. Okay. Edit. Oh, okay. I see. So I will have to. Damn. So for every environment variable here, I will have to edit it. Like here, like let's say this, fine, you can see this one. I need to go here and just like remove production and save it. And it's weird because I don't see that now production is removed. Maybe if I refresh. Yeah, now you have to refresh. Okay, well done, Vercel. Okay, let's just continue this. This is, oh man. This was the task that I needed to do on vacation. My mistake, my bad. So now I'm having like the production ones, you can see here, and I have the others here. But I need the new Auth0, you know, environment variables. So we need to create an app here, and remember, I totally forgot how it was that. So let me switch to the other tenant. And also here, I need to create like a database here, like in all products maybe. I need to create a new database. This is going to be very boring. I don't know why I'm doing this on a streaming. But this is how I mean, this is the reality, you know, the apps. You need to do boring stuff. It's not everything is, you know, CSS, JavaScript, build amazing buttons, center dips. No. Sometimes it's just boring stuff. Copy and paste environment variables. Good news usually is like once. Usually. Why I don't see the... Yeah, I mean, I want to close Feisto. I need this both. I need this and this, but I need to check how was it, right? So here, wait, this is development. So remember, we need to create an app. Go here, use an app. And this was Sublr dev. Okay, so I guess it's a regular web application. This is what I wanted to know. So yeah, I need to do the same. So go here and just like create a regular web application. So let's create an application here. So this is going to just called Sublr web. I think it's going to be the same, and it's going to be a regular web application because this is using like Node.js, Next.js in this case, right? So we create this. And this is going to give me some data. I think the data is hidden, probably. Yeah, the settings are like mostly hidden. Yeah, like the ones that are like secret here. Okay, so same deal. Sorry. I mean, we can copy. Well, to be fair, we can copy those that are like public, I guess. So what I can do is the domain. Oh shit, I forgot what is the domain. Let me see, the client ID. This is the client ID, this is client secret. Oh, this is something random if I'm not wrong, and the base URL and the issue base URL. I totally forgot what was that. But let's copy those that we know. So the ID, let me see, yeah. So it's this one. We can copy this one here. And save it, right? Yes. Great. And the secret one is secret. So I shouldn't like, you know, I can copy, but I can paste it with your eyes. You shouldn't see that. It's a secret. So for that, I have this URL, it's kgen. Don't really remember what is the name. So basically it's like kgen.io, probably. Yeah, you can go to kgen.io. Oh, and it's not working today. Oh man, really? What happened? Oh no. Well, anyway, yes, you definitely can go. If we go to, let me just check that, Next.js, Auth0. If we go to the repo here, this one, He's going to say which kind of key do you need. You need a strong key, definitely a strong key. So if we go here, we set out0 configuration. It says long random value. Yes. It doesn't say how random. Oh, it says 32 bits. Oh, or you can just like do this, right? Crypto random. I mean, why not? I mean, I can just like go into run.js maybe. Maybe this is better. And of course, it's going to generate something here. Oh, this is like no, it's not a function. White. Oh, because I need to import it. Maybe import crypto. Crypto is like that from crypto. Maybe. Yeah. So this is random. What if I run it again? How random is it? Like, yeah, it's definitely random. So I'm just going to turn off again this and paste it again. So I can have like a very random value that you won't have. So basically this is for cryptography purposes. So it will use this random string to generate some kind of seeds. And that's how cryptography works mostly. You need random values, but in reality, in computer science, we don't really have random values. We have pseudo-random values. I mean, the true randomness doesn't exist in computers. So we try to simulate randomness. It's crazy. You will think that random values exist. Yeah, going here, I totally forgot how to configure this. So because I don't want to read, I'm just going to open my other tenant. So this is like my developer tenant account. And what I can do is just like move this here to the left, maybe. Can I? Yeah, maybe. I move this to the right. Give me a second. Is this a WebSocket? No. Probably. Oh no, it's fine. So if we go here and we go here, applications, we have oh man, this changed immediately. Okay, I can play your game. out0. I'm going to change here. This is dev. What tech frameworks are you using in Sublr? So in Sublr, we are using Next with React. We create our own components, and we are using Firebase with Firestore and out0. And that was such a challenge because in the past, it was super easy to connect a Firebase with out0. But for some reason, they removed that. I guess Firebase didn't like it. Firebase wants to use their own authentication system, but it wasn't going to work for what we wanted. So we have to do it by ourselves, and there is not too much information about how to connect dot services. I really didn't like how it was done, but it's how you done it with Firebase anyway, you know? It's not the tool, you know? Okay, so what I want to know... Hola, ¿cómo estás? Who lives here? Me. Lo que quiero chequear acá es estas URLs. Ok, perfecto. Eso es lo que necesito. ¿Por qué? Ah, por cierto, esto lo hicimos. Porque resulta que eso es lo que tengo que configurar para mi versión en producción. Normalmente, si no han usado out0, es un sistema que soluciona todo el tema de autenticación y management de usuarios. No se va a refrescar este desgraciado. ¿Sí vieron? Como que detecta que cambié de tenant y me lo cambia automáticamente. Tiene como una especie de WebSocket o algo. Súper raro. Ok. So you wanted to do this in the hard way? Okay, I will play your game. I will play your game. So next, out0.js. I will follow the instructions. This is what you want. Damn it. So in theory, I have my app here. So this is my... Oh, okay. So in out0, you have the concept of tenants. It's like accounts. Okay? So my recommendation, if you are going to use free accounts, create an account per environment. So I have my account for development and staging or whatever. And I have my account for production. So I already set up everything for development that's working. You know, this is like using authentication, using GitHub authentication in this case. So now what I'm trying to do is to release this, you know, and you can use it and break it. It's super beta. beta. Esta aplicación está súper beta. De hecho, se les va a romper. Estoy muy seguro que la van a romper inmediatamente. Pero necesito hacer el release. O sea, pasito a pasito y luego hacer fixes. Yo sé que hay un montón de fixes que hay que hacer. Why you use Firebase instead of Auth0 for Auth? Okay, because Firebase authentication is pretty simple. And you can really customize a lot of stuff from Firebase. So in the long term, Auth0 provide more possibilities. And by the way, I worked almost 3 years on Auth0, so I kind of know the technology. Yo solía trabajar en Auth0, de hecho antes de irme a Suecia. Y la verdad es que es un producto muy bueno. O sea, si no quieres pensar en temas de autenticación, y yo he usado ambas, pero siento que Firebase, como les decía, es muy simple. Y en este caso quería como hacer la prueba, como, hey, quiero usar Firestore, pero quiero usar Auth0, ¿cómo sería esa conexión? ¿Ves? Entonces, that's the reason. Basically, Auth0 is more scalable, is more powerful. You can do a lot of stuff with Auth0. Auth0 no soporta passwordless out of the box. Why not? Of course, you can go here. If you go to authentication and you go to passwordless, you can enable passwordless. You can enable CMS and you can enable email. And that's it. Of course, you need a CMS provider and an email provider, because that's like out the limits of Auth0, but you can do it. What do you mean? It's just like one check and you put your Twilio SID. It does out of the box, right? What is that Lofi playlist? Oh, it's a custom playlist from a service called Epidemic Sound. I don't. It's not like a public, like playlist, but it's nice, right? You can do something. I mean, if you don't want to use, if you have some limitations with the universal authentication, you can toggle to the JavaScript widget, and that's it, right? You can do that. I mean, of course, you want to use the new universal authentication. The thing with the universal authentication is server-side render, but the old widget is like a single-page app, basically. So the other one is a little bit faster. I think it's here, right? You can go here, if I'm not wrong, and you can disable that. I don't really remember how is it. But you can do that, probably. Oh, look, there's the new stuff. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that, but that's a bit cheaty. Yeah, I mean, it's not that cheaty. I mean, it's the old widget, and it's not that like old, It doesn't look like a really old app. It's just like this one is more performant, I will say, right? I guess, but you have the option out of the box, right? You don't have the latest, but you have the option. Anyway, what am I doing? Yes, I was going here to the applications, and I need like the Auth0 configuration because I need to configure my stuff. Okay, so I am following the configuration here because Auth0 was trolling me when I changed the tenants. So yeah, you need to do things. Allow callback URL and allow logout URL. So I just need to go here and allow callback URL. So I'm just going to copy this because I'm lazy. But instead of this, because this is production, it's going to be Sublr.Vercel.app, right? Yeah, that's how it's going to be. And then the logout URL is this one. HTTPS. Of course, because we release in HTTPS. Okay, and we save changes. And in theory, that should be enough. Oh, there is another thing. We wanted to just authenticate with GitHub. So Sublr is going to, you will authenticate. Okay, just application two applications enable. Spanglish ante todo. No. Okay, Sublr. No. Google, no. Nay. Yeah, so I can use GitHub. My idea with this app is just like GitHub and Twitch accounts. will be able to log in. But right now, I just want to let this with the default configuration, the development configuration. So I'm not going to create the Twitch connection, because then I will have to configure that, and I can do that later. So I'm just going to disable the Google out, like delete connection, I guess. Yes, let me type this, Google out to, yes, delete. Okay, so now we are done with Auth0 configuration. Now we need to configure Firebase, and this is going to be a little bit tricky. Can I check how is the setup or my, let's see. So this is Sublr dead. What are the apps? I mean, build. Okay, Firestore. I mean, I have my database here, right? Yes, I have my database. Okay, great. And then, do I have other products? Oh, yeah, only the rules. Okay, so what I can do, can I go and open another, what if I open another project? It's going to be, really? Oh, no, maybe it's my bad. What if I just open, okay, wait. What if I go back and I try to open like this? Oh, look that. It doesn't have any issue at all, like the, you know, like the other. Okay, I definitely can do that. So, close Firestore, but I have another question. Do I have authentication enabled? No, I think, no, we don't. The only service that we have in here is like Firestore. Okay, so let's create a database. Starting production mode, of course. Oh, damn. ¿Qué región usé la otra vez? How do I check my region? Maybe here? Oh, man. Oh, maybe if I go back, maybe? No? Oh, yes, here. Oh, no back, but yeah. I'm just going to use this region because I don't know, I'm in Europe, so I guess is what I want. Okay, let's provision that one, and then I need to create a subscription. I have a command, and this is going to be complicated, but basically I have this script to like populate, you know. I have this script. Let's go here. So I have this Firestore seed, where what I basically do is go there and enable everything. But for that, I need to do something. Damn it, the rules. Read, write, it, false. What is like the version that allows everything? So a collection is going to be subscriptions. Subscriptions. Go there. Great. So in order to I think it's true, right? Build the docs. ¿Qué pasa? I need like a seed data, right? Just to make this work. So, how can we do this? Can we try like the production app right now? Maybe. Let's try. I mean, let's try what happens. Like if I go here and I just go Vercel. I think it's Vercel. No, Vercel. Okay, Vercel. But this is going to be the preview, and I'm not sure if the preview is going to work. Probably not, because it doesn't handle the URLs properly, so this is like useless. But what you can do is try like the pro people, you know, production directly. Let's go production directly. Don't ask for permission, just break production. Production is already broken. Bueno, pero mientras, ¿qué pasa? Entonces, yo necesito como popular aquí un seed, como una data inicial, para que mi app funcione. Entonces, lo que yo tengo es que yo leo las variables de entorno. Entonces, lo que tengo que hacer ahora es ponerle a mi aplicación las variables de entorno de producción, dejar los permisos abiertos por ahora, correr el script, cambiar los permisos y remover las variables del entorno. Pero this is taking too much. Hello, I just arrived. Why are you developing? So we have this app. It's called Sublr, but it's not online because I'm trying to release it right now to see how everything is not working, maybe. So it's basically an app for manage your finance, like your subscriptions, to see where you're spending the money, if you are like spending too much monthly, how it looks yearly. Yeah, what are the services that you are subscribed, like, you know, Netflix, HBO, or, you know, Canva or Twitch or whatever. And right now it's like not working. Maybe do I need the let's oh, completing. Oh man, really? When I cancel this? I don't know. It feels like weird. Let's just update this because I was thinking maybe we need to, you know, update the CLI. I mean, what the fuck? What? And let's check the rules. So if we go with the docs, what are like the basis docs test rules? Firebase Eliminator. What are like the Firestore Poly rules? I think it's if true, right? I think it's just if true. That will make everything just like go straightforward. So let me do something. No, I can't. Or can I? Okay, now yes. Vercel. Prop. Just trying to see. I think I can do this. Well, so what I'm going to do right now is, because I also want to run this script later. So basically, this is going to take my data. This is like seed data, like initial data, and I want to push this data into production. So what I'm going to do is like, can I edit this? Maybe. Oh yeah, if true. Right now, like publish. Oh, now it's release. Okay, let's see. It doesn't work. 500 internal error server. Okay. Damn it. Inspect. I can go here, building, running, domains, running checks. This has something, right? No, this has something. If I click here, no. Where is it? They have some kind of... Okay, yeah, custom functions. Okay, doesn't matter. Don't. There is a way to debug this, right? Man, this is better. Just 500. How do I debug? Inspect. I think it's inspect, right? Inspect. Probably. Okay. Vercel, debug, production, release. Logs. Oh, it's logs. Vercel logs, maybe? Yeah, so I need like logs. You are deployment. Oh, sure. So I want logs of this. Okay. Vercel logs my production URL. Great. Okay, what it says? Nice. We have the error here, right? Build here. Issue-based URL is required. Oh, what? I'm missing a environment variable. Okay. If I go here. But this looks so weird. Settings. Environment variables. So we have production. Let's go to production. And issue URL. Issue base URL. Issue. Oh, I don't have it, right? What? I swear I put it there. Oh, no, I put... oh, okay. I put base URL, but I never put the issue URL. Oh, damn it. Okay, I need to hack this so you can like check my secrets. Show secrets. Okay, right. Yes, looks like I never did that. So I'm just adding the environment variable that I need. That's it. That's good news. And I don't know, is going to this work automatically? Maybe not. Maybe not. So I already just put this user base URL. I don't think this is going to work immediately because maybe I need to deploy again. I need to deploy again because it's like, hey man, I mean, I need to restart the server. Can I restart the servers from Vercel? Like deployments. Okay, let's say this one. Redeploy. Ah, okay, I could redeploy. I guess it's faster. I don't know. Maybe it's faster. Arrow building. Okay, okay. More time. This is like superhero music for the release. Okay, this is done. That was a nice trip. Logs was a quick answer. So public rules. So I already have these rules. So what I'm going to do while this is like releasing, and as soon as I say that, it's going to be released immediately. Is how it works these days. I'm just going to try to run this script, but for that I need to like replace my Firebase configuration. So I guess what I'm going to do, I don't know if this is going to reveal stuff. Oh, I told you. Okay, this release. Let's see. Okay, nice. So still, I don't know if you can notice, but still, this is not using like the real keys for GitHub. I need to configure that later, and the same for Twitch. Okay, so right now it's just like normal like development keys from Out0, so they have limitations. I need to configure this later. Okay, so if I continue with GitHub, let me see. Oh, is this working? I mean, probably. Oh, what happened? What? It's buggy. Why is not working? Oh, maybe it's because the data is wrong, right? Because he doesn't know how to database, fetch, preview, headers. What the? I mean, it's writing here? Maybe data? Oh, what the fuck? Yes. But it's like wrong data. Okay. Every click, look, every click is just creating wrong data. Boom. Huh? Yeah, I thought that is supposed to like... Is not this real time? I mean, that's kind of what they said, right? Okay, let's try this. If I refresh, it's going to have a few. This is production, right? Yes, this is production. Okay, I need this ID, by the way. This is like my admin user. Okay, perfect. Don't hack me. Oh, you can see that. Ha 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 ha. You can see that. Oh, can you? Okay, so I think right now the issue is that I need an initial data in order this to work, because right now it's just creating like trash data, probably. I don't know, that's kind of my feeling. So let's just like delete these subscriptions, delete it, and let's create a new subscriptions. What? Subscriptions? Oh, can you imagine that this is like, what the fuck? What? Can I subscriptions? It's because I deleted. I don't get any error. No, what is this? What is happening, man? What the fuck? Rules. Start collection. So I want a new collection. Subscriptions. Oh, okay, now we are talking. Okay, we can just like write. No, but this is going to be like really let's try the seed data. Okay, so for that, what I need to do is the following. I need to change my admin user. Wait, so I had that one there, so I'm just going to need to copy this. I need to copy like a new production version. So let me just try this. Okay, perfect. The admin user. Wait. Hold on. We are hacking the world. Show secrets. So I just need to paste my stuff. So the new, this one. Oh yeah, that's my same. Oh, it's the same ID. Great. So what I'm doing is just like, you know, question if I hide secrets. Oh, this is so silly. Doesn't matter. I can just hide this here. The plugin that hide your secrets, HackerMan, yes. The plugin that hide your secrets, if you comment your secrets, it will show your secrets. So this plugin sucks, but it's what we have right now. So just give me a second. I'm hacking the world. It's a hard, you know, task, hacking the world. So I have hidden my environment variables, and now we're going to run the script. And for that, I think we have a script here, probably. Seed, yes, we already have. So this script is just a Node.js command that is going to run my script here. So if everything is correct, I just run yarn seed, and hopefully this is going to populate. Yes, it's written stuff. If I go and refresh here, is this prod? Yeah, this is prod. I think it wrote the data, right? Yes. So if I go here and I refresh, this is production. I don't see shit. Why? Oh, I know why. Because now I need the rules. Huh. Okay, so if I go here to the Sublr div, and then I go here rules, and then I need the proper rules. So those are the rules that I need. Those are the real rules. And then, yeah. So if I go to production, and I go to get to rules, and I think it's like this. Yeah, definitely. So the trick is that I need the user ID, because I'm doing a filtering in, and you know what? And I have told you this before, I hate Firebase documentation. It's awful. Okay, this is not working still. So why is not develop and test? What that means? I mean, data is there. Oh, now you see my data. Ah, that's fine. I guess it's super easy to get a GitHub user ID. It's nothing. Why is it not working, man? Subscriptions. This is production, right? And this is production. Okay, time to inspect. The problem is Firebase use like. Oh, I know. I think I know. It's because I need to configure the whole. So let me see. In Firebase, when you do a production, you need to allow an URL, right? You need to allow a production URL, but I don't really remember where is that. Shit, what is that? Usually when you are doing development, he ignores that because he understands this is, you know, just a local development thing. But how do you like? Okay, maybe app check. Maybe I'm trying to check app check. So what is app check? This is different, right? Okay, no. Project settings. Users are permissions. Wait, how project settings? I need like, okay, so how to specify, let's remove this. How to specify Firebase production URL for permissions. I think that's the way that you Google this. Configure hosting behavior, no? Manage and deploy Firebase security rules. Really? Nay. There is a way. No. Like Firebase allow it domains. That's what I need. Connect a custom domain. No. But I don't see any error here. I see like a token. I see the token and the token is okay. And then account, sign in, configuration not found. Get project config, configuration not found. Identity toolkit. I'm so confused. And this Firebase thing is not saying nothing for me. But what? Okay, in Firebase console, I'll authorize domains. Okay, Firebase. What? Console out, authorize domains. In Firebase console. Okay, if we go back. Okay, can we go to? Okay, here. Sublr. Yes, it's an app. This is an app to track expenses, like your monthly subscriptions, not like daily expenses, but most like your monthly subscriptions, to see how you're spending. You know, in how much are you spent in subscriptions. Yeah, that's it basically. Okay, how do I app check? It's not app check like are we ready to deploy? Protect your backend resources from abuse, such building or fraud phishing. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Okay, register. Okay, recap chat. No, what is this? Oh, this is different. No, this is like only, okay, register now to see product metrics. What the fuck? Register by choosing one of the more. I don't really understand this. Okay. This was different in my times, I swear. Wait. Protect your cloud first resolve when avoid social building and from phishing. Yeah, I guess that's kind of the thing, right? That I need just requests from my own domain, and it feels that's app shape. So in theory, this should be like ready. Remote config, real-time database. Okay, why is this not working at all? I mean, let's refresh again. Maybe I'm missing an error. Am I missing an error? 200, 200, 400. So sign in with custom token. Okay, I have the different thing. Configuration not found. Okay, let's check that. So we have here API, Firebase, out 0. No, Firebase. So custom token. Session. Get out. Create custom token. Custom token. We send it back. Yes. Right. Is that one? Sign in with custom token. Okay. Wait, I'm having Vietnam flashbacks. We have this issue before, right? Probably. It also says like it can have this for some reason and then is able to have it. Maybe not. So wait, I'm having flashbacks. Oh, by the way, what are you doing here? Oh, so many things open. I guess this is not needed anymore, right? So, wait, if I go to index, probably is where we have all the logic, basically, probably. No, here in Firebase. Index, name, admin, name. Damn, service account key. What is the service account key? I'm scared. What is this thing? Oh, wait. Vietnam flashbacks. What is the service account key? What is the service? I remember this stuff. Service account key Firebase. the files, right? Check files, deploy it, next, JS. There is a way to do that, right? Deployment. And you can check your files, right? Oh, but maybe, right, maybe this is like development. This is my development account key. Maybe it's that. So let me change the name. Rename. And then just like dev, right? And then I need to get another one, close others. Also I need to like ignore this. So wait. So if I go to git ignore, what is git ignore? Yeah, I think that's the problem. So the thing is, in order to log in with our custom flow, so we need to get a token from Firebase, and then using that token, we need like to log in via the admin SDK. The admin SDK of Firebase is different from the usual SDK that you install. It's like backend to backend connection, right? So in order to that, you need that JSON. That's what I remember right now. You need that JSON, right? So of course, that JSON needs to be deployed in the production thingy. But let me see if I go here on dashboard again, and then I go to Sublr. There was a way to check like the source, right? Like, if I'm not wrong, you can just like slash source or something like that. Like see Vercel source. You can do that maybe. I don't really remember. Source. The public option can be used to ensure the source code is published available source. Oh, okay. Okay, let me see. If I go to Sublr, like this, source. Yeah, because I'm logged in, I'm able to see the source, right? I just want to make sure that in Firebase here, Firebase, I have the file, because in theory, yes, so the file is here, perfect, because this file is not in GitHub, this file is private, great. So that's a good news, but of course it's the wrong file, because this is from the other project, not the production project. That's my theory. So I need first git ignore. What is git ignore? Yes, git ignore, and I will let you say anything. Can I do this? Like anything that finished. Okay, no, this one and this one. Like asterisk. It does work? Yeah, in fact it does work. Whatever is this. What if can I do an optional? How do I write an optional? Shit. Damn it. Deb.json. Is that correct? Yeah, I mean the deb. Yeah, that's correct. I want to write this in one line. Damn it. So git ignore uses blob or what? That's my question. Git ignore documentation. I guess this is no. Git is blob, right? Important. Mark asterisk match anything except last. The character matches any other character except slash. Okay, how is like optional? Optional. An optional negates the pattern. Okay, I think it doesn't use block. A blank line matches no file. No, git ignore use its own pattern. Okay, so I think this is not going to work for me. Like I might not able, you know, yeah, there is not like that much like options. So in the front, the first literal, for example, optional prefix which negates the pattern on image in file, excluding the previous pattern, will become included again. It's not possible to re-include a file if the parent directory of the file is excluded. Yeah, it's not blood. So, okay, it's not like a standard thing, it's like git ignore thing. Okay, great. Doesn't matter. I just will have this. You know, whatever I put here, that will be fine for me. And now I need this service account key. And I don't really remember how to get one. I think, let me go back. So if I go to project settings and I go to service accounts, probably that's it, right? Yes. So I need to generate a new private key, probably. Yeah, okay. And then let me see if that's the file that I need. Yeah, in fact, that's it, the file. So exactly, that's the file. Okay, yeah. In the options, you will get the whatever you need. Server name, service, account key, JSON. Great. So I just did that. So I mean, I can show you this. It's easy. So you go to, you know, project settings, service account, and you generate a new private key, and that will give you the you know, the JSON that you need. So let's just redeploy this. So jar Vercel prod. Vercel is not found. Really? Why not? What? No, Vercel is his own command. My bad. Okay, Vercel prop. Great. And I want to, you know, remove the, well, the unlockable. I can remove that later. It's okay. Let's see. So while this is like installing and deploying, and I think that's the final thing. Okay, now is the deploy. Let's see if that works. It didn't work. Oh my god, what happened? Really? It says configuration not found. What are you talking about, man? Maybe it's like a catch? Nay. What the fuck? Same problem. Come on. Configuration of found. I mean, that's the error. That's what I thought. Enable authentication that you want. No, but that's not. It was I using sign in with token. I just visited authentication page and Firebase console and pressing get started was sufficient for me. Ah, creo que uno sí tiene que tener al menos como el servicio de authentication, ¿cierto? Vamos a ver, si nos vamos a nuestro otro servicio, no este proyecto, el otro proyecto, damn it, creo que me toca moverme así, ¿cierto? Si me voy al otro servicio, creo que eso nos tocó hacer a nosotros. Project settings, vamos a ver. Let's go. Hello, by Parcero, how is everything? Authentication. Sí, creo que lo hicimos, ¿cierto? Sí, ¿y qué hicimos? Sign in method, anonymous, provider anonymous, creo que sí, okay, but the other thing was necessary as well, so I'm not crazy, I swear, I'm not crazy. What I feel, oh, I was missing this slide, why you didn't tell me? I was so dark, you know, I was missing like this slide. Oh man, that's bad. Todo bien, aquí ya finalizando el release de Sublr, que no lo hice en vacaciones, entonces lo estamos terminando acá. And great, just ready to release this. And if I go authentication, I need to get a start. That's super weird. That's the kind of thing that I don't really understand from enable. Yes, save. Okay, great. What if I just... But I wonder if that's going... Yes! Yes! Nice! This is working. The question is, for new users, this is going to not work at all. If you go to this URL and you try to log in with, you know, GitHub, and you try to create like, please, take into account when you create a new subscription. Damn it, it's not, like not working. Yes, when you create a new subscription, it's going to be like this, and you need to click it again. I know this is super bad user experience, but this is going to improve. This is a beta. This is beta. I should write beta, huge beta up. So please don't put your full car here, just like some numbers, like me. I was like, and put like perfect data, right? Like this is a title, comma separate, like like PayPal. What else? PayPal is fine. Okay, and the card just 4 numbers, whatever, right? And then you click save. This is a really bad user experience. And still the login, I need to change the real credentials. But we are halfway done. Finally, nice, and you can't log out. Great. Give me a second. The old mode. It's a guy who's doing stuff with Vim. 2 hours. I mean, you already know ModeDev. The nice thing about raids is you can like get to know people, and I already did it yesterday. He's an amazing guy. It's very funny. Let's do another raid. Let's flirt with him, basically. He's like super pro with Vim. He's crazy, basically. He's an engineer from Netflix. So let's take a look. Of course, he speaks English, but he's a really nice guy. So see you tomorrow. Thank you to be here. Bye bye.